So today we are going to be going step by step on opening up a MooMoo investing app account. Now, as you can see right over here, you're going to be following along with me in real time so you know every single step of the way what is going to be required. Now, I will have a link for you guys in the show notes down below. You will get 2 free stocks for using that link down below. Make sure you follow the rules so you get all those free stocks and get hopefully some of the highest value stocks that you can possibly get. Leave me a comment down below which stocks you get and the current value for them. Love to hear from you guys and the winnings you guys get from this. So this is going to be the website that you land on when it comes to clicking that link. And so let's go step by step and see what is going to be required from you. So you're going to see it says, hey there, you've been invited to join MooMoo. Sign up today and receive free stocks valued up to $1,000. Claim your free stock now. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now, this is just from the website. Once you have everything finished up, you can go ahead and download the app or go on desktop, by the way. So here it's going to say sign up. We're going to put in an email address and a password. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to click on sign up. All right. So from here, it is going to just do a verification. This is actually the first time I've ever seen one like this. So we got to fit this puzzle piece in there. Way better than having to, find the steps on the sidewalk there. So everything is loaded up here. Now it says now you are just one step away. Download the MooMoo app and log in and register your account. So now that it's officially locked in, that we are getting our referral bonuses there, we can go ahead and click on download now to get the app onto our phone. All right, so now we have the app completely downloaded. So we're gonna go ahead and click on open here. And we're gonna go through the rest of the sign up process. So here we're gonna go ahead and allow notifications and then just go ahead and put in the password that you just created for your login. All right, so here we are. Now it's gonna say you're one step away from level 2 market data, but right there it just says open account in the blue. So we're gonna go ahead and click right over here. Now it's gonna show us that we're gonna need a few pieces of information such as social security number, valid ID, and employment status. Now all of these things are actually required by federal law, so just something to keep in mind. Everything is gonna be bank level security when it comes to putting in your information. So you're gonna be safe on that end when it comes to putting in your social and your private information. So now we're gonna go ahead and click on the next button right over here. And it's going to take us to the next page here that will allow us to go ahead and start plugging this information in. So for me here, it looks like it's going to go ahead and send me a verification code to my email. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in and we're going to jump over to the next page. So once we go ahead and verified our email, now it's going to ask us for our phone number. So we're going to plug that in and click on the continue button once it's highlighted at the bottom. So from here, this is some of just the basic information. So we're going to be plugging in our first, our last name, and our citizenship. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the next button. So from here, this is where we're going to be putting our address, date of birth, and our social security number. So let's go ahead and fill this out and we're going to go ahead and click on the next button at the very bottom. So right over here, it is going to confirm with you that you plugged in your social security number correctly. So just double check every single number, make sure it's right, and then you can click on the confirm button. Now here it is going to ask some basic questions that pretty much signing up for any investing app is going to ask you. It's going to ask for your annual income, your net worth, and a few other questions. So at the top here, it's going to ask for your employment. It's going to ask for like the industry and stuff right over here. And then it's going to ask you for like income, it's net worth, income source, overall investing objective. Would you like to enable free trading options? If you want to, you can hit yes or no. If you don't know what that means, you can hit no and update it later. It says, do you need to add a trusted contact? You can do that now if you wanted to or later. And then it will ask you if you or a family member are a 10% holder, shareholder in a company. You can hit yes or no. Obviously, for most people, that will be a no. And then you can see down here, are you subject to backup withholdings? Just make sure answer all these questions correctly. All the questions correctly, and then we can go ahead and click on the next button. All right, so here we are right over here with the disclosure agreement. So just kind of go through, make sure you are reading this here. If everything looks good, we can go ahead and click on review. And then here, it's just gonna have us do our signature here. So make sure you just type in your name and then you can click on submit. So you can see from this page that the application has been received, and typically you will have your account available within that same day, but it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. Now, once you have it all approved, then you can start making your first deposit to get your free stocks that we mentioned earlier in the video. Now, like I mentioned as well, the link will be down below so you can go through that process and sign up. Now, if you want to learn more about the app and some of the pros and cons, make sure you check out my video right over here to learn all about it. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.